Where are we going? Downtown. Patawing downtown. Bibili ng cake ni Atalay. May celebration tomorrow. Birthday celebration ni Atalay.
Next year sa hall na.
Debutant again. Time checks. Okay, time check is 3:20.
Naputol talaga ko ng daliri. Wala.
Pag wala. Pag may makita ang mga motive sa treasure hunt. Another motive. Ay, mura lang ito. Sige, pwede ako mag-celebrate. Diba? Another mga decorations. So, sobrang init ngayon, guys. Ang ganda ng panahon. The weather is really nice.
Suportado pa ni Dabong.
Yeah, kaplano sa dadalwa. Sa naga, hindi mo na siya nagtatanong sa mga financer.
Parang wala ng choice.
Plano lang ng plano dyan.
Para dyan na.
So, bibili kami ng cake ni Atalay para bukas. Today is ano ngayon? Saturday.
Dahan-dahan yung mag-ilod ako.
Grabe yung init. Ang ganda ng panahon. Si Zion, nagugutom, kumakain. Ano kinakain mo, Zay? Are you done eating?
Manok. Tapos yung pag-drive ni Daddy.
Are you done eating?
Oh my God.
Look at that. The weather is so clear and bright. We're here na. Dito ka lang kay Daddy?
Where's your water?
Magbili lang naman ng cake. Dito ka lang, eat lang ikaw.
Hey, good.
Si Zion at Dabong holding hands while walking. Atalay, naka-skirt talaga. Easy ang downtown kasi summer na. Summer attire. Again.
Oh, dito na. Tapos wala napindot gali.
Walang card.
Ayan, yung white lang.
Yeah, eh, ganda ang pink ko. You know? I like this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yun na lang. Magkano? 65 lang. Ang cute. Yeah. Right there. So cute.
That's vanilla cake with vanilla buttercream. Did you want something written on there?
Yeah, just 21.
Perfect. And did you want it in chocolate, pink, blue, or sorry, white blue?
Chocolate.
Perfect. So 21.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do you want cookie? Which one? Huh?
Birthday cake cookie.
Yeah, so that's gluten free or vegan, or did you want a regular? Sorry, for 21, numbers or written?
Balik na kami sa car. Nakabili na kami ng cake. Very nice yung cake nila dito. Lemonade. Diba?
So I think what I'm gonna do is like when
Pag dito siya titira, lalo siyang mag-healthy. Yes, daming kainan. Nice.
Pwede mo ikandungin. There's no space.
Sure. Tapos na kami sa downtown. People,
Mag-14 kaya ka 16.
punta daw kaming Costco.
Kids, look.
Oh yeah. Oh, may mga batang nagtitinda ba yan?
Yeah, there's
Uy,
selling that.
tinda ka dito. Ay, mga bata, oh. May mga batang nagtitinda ng lemonade dyan, oh. Yan. Dami nagwo-walk around sa, oh, nakadress, oh. Dami nagwo-walk. Parang feeling mo dito sa Bangka, no?
Mommy, I don't want to go yet.
Tingnan City Life tong mga anak ko. Grabe. Gusto na ng City Life.
Mom,
Mga batang to. Yeah, si Sayon din gusto ng City Life.
I don't wanna go yet.
Ganda dito.
That's my goal, to have an apartment.
Kaya mo lang ga, one day magpunta tayo dito. Maybe next, sa Saturday. Punta tayo dito. Mag-iikot tayo. Ganda. Okay guys, dahil punta kami ng Costco, susuot ako nito.
At lamig na lang.
Sweater at malamig doon sa loob. May aircon. Isang Pilipinang hindi sanay sa karangyaan.
Kahit na for 14 years.
Malamig aircon doon, grabe. Tara, let's go. Anak mo, oh. Let's go to the... Ay, ito, hindi mahirapan. Ubos. Ubos ang cart. So, which means daming tao sa loob. Doon sa parking. Katay sa parking. Walang cart dito sa loob. Ibig sabihin, maraming taong nag-grocery. Meron, gang. Doon sa sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Bilis yachts. Let's go. We're done in Costco. Okay guys, dito kami sa bagong bukas na toy collection. Dito kami. Oh, may labubo na sila dito. Who wants labubo? Okay. Kung gusto nyo mag-collect ng labubo, $44.99. Ang gaganda. Kaka-open lang nila 2 weeks ago.
Mommy, I want to.
Oh, Sailor Moon. May mga tumbler din sila. Tingnan nyo yung collection. Ang ganda, oh. Nice. Grabe. May labubo na dito, Dad. May labubo. Yung sa bag. Toy collection. Yung sinasabi sa bag na pagkamahal-mahal. Yung inaano na nila.
Ano gagawin mo dito, Sai? Ano gagawin mo dito, Sai?
Ang cute, oh. Grabe. Mga figures. Ang cute. Look at their collection. Cute, oh. Bagong bukas
I could
ito.
get one figure.
Muas dada. Ano ito? Sanrio? Ah, pen and bookmark. Ah, pen. Oh, cute ng pen nila, Bi, oh. May mga pen sila, Bi. Ito ang cute. 20.
Sabihin mo.
Oh, regalo ko sa'yo.
Oh, yun. Nakuha ka na ng isa.
I was gonna pay for it.
Ah, sige ka na lang. Ah, sige, sige. Yeah. 44 yan. Gift ko na lang sa'yo sa labubo. Look at that. Ang ganda. Ito sa labubo. Nice. Ang cute ng collection. Ang bango. Ang bango ng store nila. Ang bango ng store. Labubo daw yung i-gift ko sa kanya, Dad. Ha? Ha? Saan na yung isa?
This is the one I'll pay for.
Where's your labubo?
Ikaw magbili. Really?
Yeah. Wala naman kaming gift ni Daddy. Dad,
mo and then you get it. Ikaw magbili.
ako pipili.
Just get one.
This one.
I want
Gift ko sa kanya. Natin. Labubo.
Mommy, could I have one?
No. You bought another. You bought already, right?
No.
Akala ko binili mo, Dad.
So, get na.
Eh, wait mo si Zion first.
Isa pa.
Ako magbukas?
Hindi, ikaw
Mag-pay? Ah, okay. Akin na lang yan. Ako magbayad. I-give
Dalawa?
lang. Oo.
Wait.
Akin mo. Wala naman kaming gift sa'yo.
I choose a different.
Ha? I choose the different one? Dali aron.
Yung dun sa harap kasi 44 din.
Oh, dalian mo.
Wait, talaga?
Oo, dali aron. 70 naman. Sa ngalan ng birthday mo.
Just display.
Yeah.
I think so.
Grabe guys, ang cute niya.
44?
Yeah.
Wow, thanks, Baron.
Thanks parents dan. Hati kami ni Daddy dyan. Sa sahod, transparent ako ni Daddy. Ha?
Pag hindi mo kalimutan.
Ha? Get na. Para isabay kay ate. Just one lang kasi birthday ni ate. Asa na? O sige na, dali ron. O, kukuha na ng dali na.
One na.
Just na, which one?
Which one?
So guys, nabudol kami. Nabudol si Ate Lay. Wait.
Everybody, we're gonna unbox.
You got labubo?
We're gonna unbox.
Joe, Bob.
Uyo, labubo. Lagko pa.
Can we get labubu on my birthday, on Christmas?
Sure.
Yeah.
Saan mo yan
So guys, nadali kami ng labubo. Nakadalawa si ate.
Happy got two labubus.
Ay, nako.
Isa labubu, isa ibang
So dito kami sa TNT guys. And then, parang labubo yun, di ba?
yung isa labubu, the other one is also, pakita ko sa'yo.
Ay, mas mura dito yung pakwan.
Mommy, I didn't
Dito
want
kami
to
sa
get,
TNT.
I didn't want to get the pen, but but it's okay.
Yes.
It's okay if
Mura.
I got the pen.
Tinapay.
Nabili kang bread. Sayon. Masarap na tinapay. Yeah.
Everybody, look at my finger. Wow. I also got that.
Mura pa. Magkano dito ang cake? Demon Slayer?
Hindi alam mga character.
Kaya mo pen naman yan. Magamit niya. Kaysa isa na 25, yan 6 lang. Ha? O yeah, tara. Apply na nestle cream tsaka ano.
Mommy, could I get that? Could I open it now?
Ay, nung sa bahay.
Oh, yeah.
Put inside, pag naiwan mo yan, put inside. The bag, the paper bag. Let's go. Ay, ito to.
Yung may mga sa...
Ging. Ay, akala ko yung ito yung pagkain sa atin dati.
Daw tig-up.
Oo, magakunat. Ito ba yun? Akala ko ito yun. Yan no.
Black sesame lang kaya.
Ah.
Babo kayo.
Oo, masarap yun. Grabe, parang nabudol talaga ako nito. Oh, grabe, nabudol ako nitong ban na to. Hindi naman masarap. Pinilit lang na ubusin, sayang kasi. Ito ang parang masarap, gang. Hong Kong style. Ah, durian. Oh, let's go na. Hanap tayo. Gabi na makapagpahinga. Pagod na tayong lahat. Ay, ito yung masarap. Yung?
This.
Cookie fortune? Do you like this one? Pangbaon mo, ha?
Okay.
Baon mo yan. Don't eat.
You just have one?
Yeah. Pag uwi ng bahay, tara. Let's go. At home. Tara na. So, do you like palayan?
Yeah. I want to see what's my fortune.
Okay, let's go. But do you like the cookie or not?
It's good.
Really, ha?
It's good.
Nasal cream na.
It's like a sugar bread.
Oh. Ay, ang ganda, oh. Mabango kaya. Ay, ito yung nabili ko. Na $5. Ay, pero malaki.
Yeah,
Mm.
dalawa siya, ma'am. Dalawa siya.
You sure?
Oo.
Mabiyakal. Oh.
Yeah, it's a set. Dalawa siya.
Bongo-bongo, ging. Lalaki. Oh, bakal
I'll
ako.
buy for you on Mother's Day.
Bili ako, bili. Sabi ko, Dad, regalo mo sa akin. No, si Daddy na lang.
Mommy,
Dad, regalo mo sa akin, Dad. Mother's Day.
I'm gonna buy you.
Wait. They have face mask.
I'm gonna buy you
Ang
flowers
bango.
on Mother's Day.
Oo, dalawa na si...
Ma,
Yeah. Ha?
I'm
Gift mo sa akin, mag-unboxing din kunyari ako. Sure ka, Dad?
Hindi rin eh.
Tara. O, tara na nga. Parami na tayo. Ha, finally we're done, guys. Tapos na
I
kami.
got a lot of.
Bago na naman ako.
I got a lot of
May
figures.
nabudol sila, my gosh.
I have
So, lahat final sale? Di ka pwedeng maniwala ka, kakabukas lang kasi. Pag humina yan sila,
Guys, I
dyan na
got
yan.
a lot of figures.
No return, no exchange
No, it
siya.
says on the receipt. Tapos may
Ah,
stamp na final sale.
parang kagaya sa ano.
Guys, I got a lot of figures.
Mm,
Wow.
parang umumo din.
Oh,
Tingnan mo si Sayon, nabudol din
it's
si
kasi
ate,
blind
nabudol.
boxes. So, hindi mo pwede i-return
Ay, yeah.
kung nabuksan mo na.
Ay, hindi naman nabuksan.
Kahit na siguro yung mga ano na
So, finally makapahinga si Daddy yung pagod na pagod. Gumastos pa. My God! Daddy. Nanghina talaga ako. Nagluyag na ng lawas si Daddy. Nag-drive pa ng maghapon hanggang gabi, alas 7 na, 6:59 na. Tapos ano pa, napagastos, my
Wow,
God.
they
So,
so
pauwi na kami, guys. See you na lang sa aming unboxing ng Labubu and Zion's, ano yan, hotdog? And Zion's figures. See you there.
I tried ordering it online.
We're home and Zion is helping. Dad, madami pa. Madami,
Ang dami naman. Wala na halos.
Ay, lagay na lang yung iba dyan. Bo, good eh. Mali. Akin na, Dad, yung basket. Akin na yan.
Iwa tapos gindalaro ni Kia. Bukod to mga tao yung kumain.
may labubo. At ili, bigat.
Hello guys, let's open some figures. This and look, I love this. Okay, let's go this
Who
one
gave you that?
first. Ati, this one's Sabong, this one's Ati.
So this one's from Dabong. Birthday gift ni
And
Dabong.
this one's Ati's.
And ate, and this one.
Mommy.
Okay. We have a
Okay,
lot of birthday gift.
okay. Let's see.
This Daddy pen.
Okay. Wow. It's
We have
so, I know, help me. Okay, let's,
Now you have the card.
I don't want to see.
kung anong laman.
Wait, look at it. Which one do you want first? I still don't.
I already know.
Okay.
It's the.
Oh,
Oh, this is the rare. Wait, what the?
Huh?
This is the secret.
Yeah, secret.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
First try.
Wow!
Yeah, show it.
Look at the card. First try. Okay, first one.
so mag-unboxing si Ate Ling ng kanyang.
This is Nomi and Labubu.
Aside
Last na lang yung Labubu kasi yan yung ano. I want the purple one.
ito yung unboxing ni Zion para sa kanya. Nagla-light sa
Parang night light siya.
Ay, ang cute. Tapos yung isa ito.
It's the secret.
Cute. And then, this one. Ay,
It's Misky.
Misky. Ang cute.
Misky.
Sa atin na. It's satisfied.
I want the purple one or yung white one. Pero, let's see.
Let's see.
Gusto ko ng purple. I'm fine with all of them though. They're so cute.
Ay, purple.
Bigay ka pa.
Wait. I don't want to look.
Ate, close your eyes.
You guys are so funny. My God. Wait. Hold on.
Close your eyes.
Oh my God, it's so cute.
Ay, ang cute lang po yan.
Hindi. And then you can change the eye. Ah!
Diba?
Oh my God, pinapalitan mo yung eyes. Oh, para iba-iba siya. Oh. So cute!
Diba?
Oh my gosh! Ang cute ng ano. O, diba?
Mas malaki pa yung ano mo,
Yes.
pang sabit sa
I
box.
didn't
sa
want the
bag.
secret
Kalaro
one.
na sila bubo.
May kalaro na sila, bubu.
Pagbugtaga, tumbok.
Ate,
Ay,
I-
naman ka-cute, gaga tumbok-tumbok.
Ate, I didn't want the
Ang
secret.
Tingnan ko
cute!
magkakadlaw kayo ng kakradlawan.
Okay. For the next one.
Another unboxing.
I want the pink or the blue one na ano.
Love, love.
For this one. Kasi they don't have a purple.
Brown yan.
It's
That was
okay.
brown.
Huy, huwag niyo i-jinx. Kahit ano naman, okay lang.
Unboxing. Ay, brown.
No, that's the bag. Okay. It's the mark.
First the,
Hey! No,
what
no,
color,
no,
but I'm
no,
not sure.
no,
first the
no.
bubo niya.
It just starts with the...
First of many. Charing.
I know the color. It's green.
Ah, cute and green.
Oh my gosh! Ang cute! It's so cute. Look.
Poor, right?
O, diba?
Where's it?
Pen.
Guys, this is the ano.
Maliliit
This was my
This
top
one's
3.
the
The pink,
secret.
the blue, or the green one.
This.
Na ano.
Ate,
Maliliit yung kanya.
Ate, could I have this?
Tapos ito, oh.
No, ate will keep that.
Oh,
Ha?
I tell her. I tell her.
Nag-ano?
Ate, could I have this?
Magalaw, big.
Could I have this?
Kaya maglaro na silang dalawa.
Okay.
Have to keep it.
Ayan, guys, ang nakuha
Guys,
niya.
this is what we got. Ang cute talaga nito. I wanna get more of this one.
Yeah.
The Labubu, it's really cute.
I wanna get Labubu.
Na ano.
Mommy, can I?
That's for the girls. Labubo.
Yeah.
It's a monster.
Yeah, it's a
Dito.
I want monster.
O, diba?
Mommy, I want monster.
She said.
Why?
Ah! Cute talaga nito.
They have a
Next time, this one.
Yeah.
next time.
I'm gonna
could I-
try
Not Labubu,
again
this one.
for another
Okay.
one. Para
Next
hanggang
birthday.
makuha ko yung purple
Next
ko.
birthday.
I have to wait a lot.
No. December.
See, guys.
Guys, and then...
I thought they were gonna write it like
Cake ni Atalaya.
Look at the roses.
And then, ang ganda. Tago niya na sa fridge. So yun lang guys, nasa bahay na kami. Magpuput away lang kami ng aming mga pinamilian. Magre-rest kasi maghapon na kami guys. Nasa labas, nag-grocery. And time check is mag-8 na and maya-maya matutulog na kami kasi nga maaga pa ang gising namin tomorrow for at least celebration sa kanyang birthday. So yun lang guys and thank you on my next one. See you tomorrow! Magbablog ako ulit sa birthday ni Atalay sa kanyang preparation, sa kanyang decoration, and sa kanyang birthday party. See you! Puno yung pantry. Hindi kasya. Ibalik na lang natin. Ako mag-arrange kasya yan. So yan guys, puno daw yung pantry namin, hindi kasya.
The untalk that I'm feeling.
So ito na lang, itupiin nyo. Ako na mag-put away niyan lahat.
No, we finished at 1 a.m. And I couldn't even fall asleep until later.
Let's go, let's do this. And si Daddy nagpahinga na maghapon na rin yun. Nag-drive. So yun guys, babush. Si Dabong nakahiga na. Si Sayo nag-enjoy ng kanyang toys. Si Ate Lay is helping me.